UNFI stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in a short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at United Natural Foods, I appreciate this whole bullish market and whatnot, and all I'm looking to do is just double down, buy more, hopefully, right? So in this particular instance, UNFI, just gonna get rid of all that stuff here. I'm honestly just looking to hopefully buy more, and I've talked about this so many times before. So ideally, if it does pull down into this demand zone and gives me that double break, that's when I get involved, you know, that's when I really start buying. But guess what? For rules to be met, I must be patient, because I'm not just going to assume that the rules are going to be met. I'm waiting for my rules to actually be met. So I do have a lot of previous UNFI receipts here. If you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10k per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy. See you.